So Taylor, after you have invested in which stone countertop that you've picked, I mean, you want to make sure that you can keep it beautiful for years to come. So what's the proper way to clean each different type of stone?
So any of the natural stones, you're going to want to use a clean, soft rag and a non-colored mild dish soap. Any of the colored dish soaps can actually absorb into your countertop and change the colors. With any of your natural stones, you're going to want to reseal it over time.
Is that something that you could come out and do?
It's actually super easy. You can do it yourself. You'd go to a local hardware store, pick up a granite sealer, put it on the countertop, let it sit for the time on the bottle, and then just wipe it off.
That's easy enough. Thanks for the good tips again, Taylor.